Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am beedee, and in today's video I'm presenting a watermelon scented pedicure routine. This is another entry into my The Nail Sesh series where I show you different DIY nail treatments and routines that you can try at home on a budget. In this video I'm going to just be using some products that I have at home to treat myself a little bit, so this will be perfect for you if you're on a budget, if you're back to school, a college kid, and you want to treat yourself without spending that coin. Definitely watch this video and I hope you enjoy. So I will be using a watermelon Bath and Body Works body wash that I had on hand, and I'm going to just add that to a little basin of water. I got the basin from Target, but you can get an identical one at the dollar store, and I'm just agitating the water with my hand to get those bubbles going. If you can't find this body wash, I would highly recommend the raw sugar watermelon and mint, I believe, body wash. You can purchase that at Target. It smells amazing and it will give you a beautiful watermelon scent as well. I'm going to soak my feet for about 5 to 10 minutes and I'm going to then remove my polish. This is the polish that I had on my nails at the time from a previous pedicure that I did at home, and I'm just going to take a cotton round with some acetone on it and remove the polish. Once the polish is removed, I'm going to go in with my nail clipper and trim my nails down. I like to have them at a pretty short length with enough nail to get a nice shape if I can. So I'm just going to repeat this on all of my toes. Next, it is time for cuticle work, and I will be using the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover Gel. I love this stuff. It really helps me feel like I'm getting like my money's worth, even though I am not paying for this. I'm doing this at home. It makes me feel like I get the salon experience, so I highly recommend this step. I'm just going to apply the gel to my cuticle area for about 15 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with a metal cuticle pusher to work up any of that excess cuticle or dead skin on the nail bed surface. This helps to make sure that not only does your pedicure look very nice and neat, but that you have a very smooth application of your polish when it is polish time. Now I am just taking a nail brush and I am working away that buildup. And for any bits that did not come up with the gel, I'm taking an actual cuticle removing tool and I'm just going around the area, being careful not to nick myself. definitely recommend taking your time and moving slowly with this tool if you happen to try this part. It may look like I'm being a little rough, but the skin around the cuticle area on your toes is a little bit more rough than around your fingertips, so you have to put in just a little bit more pressure, but definitely be careful. Take your time. Now it is time to file my nails. I like to attempt to get a square shape if I can, but sometimes I can't achieve that, so I just try to make sure that the nails look nice and neat. Now, to ensure that any of those rough edges from filing are smooth, I'm going in with a buffing square. Now I'm going to be using my pumice stone slash file, and I'm going to add some more of that body wash to it to go ahead and buff away any rough skin around my heel or around the toe area, just anywhere that I feel needs a little bit of extra TLC. I'm just going in with that file and pumice stone, and I'm just making sure that I get those areas. After that, to make sure that I have a really nice and smooth surface, I'm using this watermelon sugar scrub from Tree Hut, and I'm going to go around my feet, the heels, the toesies, everywhere basically, to ensure that I have a nice smooth surface. Now, to finish that all up, I am going in with the watermelon body butter from Tree Hut. This is lightweight but surprisingly very moisturizing, so I really like to use this on my feet. To prep for polish, I am going over my nails with a little bit of acetone on a cotton ball just to ensure that the surface isn't oily prior to polishing. And I will be using the salon step in today's video. I did purchase this with my own coin from TJ Maxx just because this part is usually where I get a little bit fatigued, I guess, from doing my pedicures. I usually prop my foot up on a box or something like that. So when I saw this in TJ Maxx, I was really excited to try it. And I must say, this is super helpful. As you can see, it has a little adjustable foot area section where I can place my foot and go ahead and angle it to my desired angle to get my polish going, and I really did like it. It also has some extra space for any polishes or anything that you need to sit and use. And I'm going in with this polish. Is actually from the dollar store, and I thought it was perfect because it has like that watermelon pink color, which is exactly what I was going for. And I did have to go over the nails a couple of times just because this polish was a little bit sheer, but that was no problem. I just made sure that I let the coats dry in between application, and of course I am repeating that on my other foot as well. To complete the pedicure, I am going in with a clear top coat, also from the dollar store, and that is basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you will try this out at home. Definitely let me know in the comment section if you do, and if you enjoy content like this, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have other pedicure videos and DIY nail videos on my channel, and a bunch of other lifestyle content as well. So thank you again for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.